Hi everyone, welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will teach you how to bypass Verify PIN after factory reset Samsung. Two working methods are discussed here. Method 1: bypass Verify PIN with Google account after factory reset. When your phone was factory reset, it would ask you to verify PIN to unlock the Samsung phone, but you can tap Use My Google account instead. After that, enter the Google account credentials to access the Samsung phone. Method 2: bypass Verify PIN and Google account after factory reset with PC. Connect the Samsung device to your computer. Then go to cocosenor.com. Find Android Password Tuner and then download it. After downloading, install it on your computer. Open the software and then click Install to get the Samsung driver. Click Unlock Google Lock FRP. Click Start. Now you can choose the Samsung phone Android OS version to proceed. Click the first option, All Android versions, and click the Next button to move forward. Then follow the tutorial to get diagnostic menu appear on the phone. Tap the back icon to go back to the welcome screen. Then tap Emergency Call. Tap the keyboard icon. Tap the symbols shown in the video. Then the diagnostic menu comes. Now you can click the Next button on the software. In no time, it will send a message to your phone. Tick Always Allow from this computer option and tap the Allow button. Then click the Next button on the software. When you see the successful message on the phone, wait for minutes and your Samsung phone restarts and directly bypasses the setup settings. Now you can use the phone as normal. That's all. Thanks for watching.